हाय माय हेल्दी फैमिली, नमस्कार। मैं अर्चना, वेलनेस कोच, योगा कोच, आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ डे 6 में। सो 15 मिनट्स डेली योगा सीरीज। आई होप यू आर एंजॉइंग एंड you are boosting your fitness and you're getting more fit and active and gorgeous. So let's start. First, सैम आपका शुभ को व्यायाम स्टार्ट करना है। पहले हम हर एक जॉइंट को हम हील करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट मूव योर रिस्ट जॉइंट अप्स एंड डाउन्स, देन मूव योर नेक लेफ्ट एंड राइट। ओके या टुडे हम हर एक जॉइंट को मूव करेंगे। कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज भी इसके साथ हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। सो लेफ्ट एंड राइट, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, देन इनहेल, एक्सहेल, इनहेल, एक्सहेल। आप मेरे साथ कंप्लीट प्रैक्टिस करें। 30 डेज के अंदर आपका फिटनेस पहले से बेटर फील करोगे। देन गो बैक, then come forward, go back, come forward, go back. Okay, now stretch side by side. 1 2 3 4। काफ़ी फिटनेस आपको आप सभी को इंक्रीज हुआ, तो इसलिए फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। ऐसे लेफ्ट एंड राइट, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, then turned side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then hold another side, hold, then clockwise rotation 4 5, the anti-clockwise rotation, then take a gap between your both legs, left and right. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And then bend forward and both hands will go back like this. Then hold your hip, bend back and stretch yourself and open your chest. Slowly come back. Okay, then inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now both hips rotate it clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then hold with your both hands, then rotate it for the anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5. Then relax. Then clockwise, just move your both knees. 1 2 3 4 5. Then anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5. Then relax. Then slowly stretch your leg, then stretch your another leg. Left and right, both sides. Okay, very good. Carry on. Then left and right, start jogging. Left and right, go left and right. So first, both hands, one leg back, come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then go for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then take a support. Okay, if you're unable to do like this, take a support and then stretch and hold this one. You take a support, okay, and stay for the 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Then another leg also same. Take a support, then hold like this. Okay, so I'm doing without support, but you have to take a support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Relax. Again. Move your body. Okay, now both hands straight. 1, 2, 3, straight. Again, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, and hold it for the 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly get up and relax. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then slowly knees down and hold this posture for the 5 seconds. Okay, okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then knees down. Okay, and just stretch yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go for another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then stretch. 1, go back. 2, go back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't relax yourself.
slowly up one leg. Then down.
Body gather. Again.
Stretch yourself first. Then both hands. Go back and rise up your leg. Breathing will be normal. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sleep with your leg. Down. Body. And hold this posture.
Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then stretch side. Okay, now stretch. Then slowly sit and practice it for the butterfly. Then hold it, Uttan Padasana, for the 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull your both legs and make it straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then relax your body. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Completely relax your body. Just relax yourself, relax your all joints, relax your all muscles, relax your all organs. Then sit yourself. I'm very happy, I'm very active, I'm very gorgeous. Then slowly take right side and get up. Make your spine straight. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Completely inhale, completely exhale for the 7 times, and both palm will open towards the sky. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then brush both hands. Touch everywhere. Touch all your joints. Inhale, exhale, and say to yourself, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly open your eyes with a great smile. So, इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. आप खुश रहे, स्वस्थ रहे, और इस सीरीज की तरह इस सीरीज में जितना सारे वीडियोस हैं आप मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करें, और पूरे से पूरा प्रैक्टिस करें डे 1 से लेकर पूरा 30 डेज़, और इस सेशन को आप कंप्लीट करें. ओके, सो आप खुश रहे, स्वस्थ रहे. आई होप this video is very valuable for you. So please comment, please like this video, please share this video, and if you any kind of queries, please comment below in comment box. Dhanyavad.